Hi guys, I've been trying this Neuro Energy and Focus gum for the past week. I've got one of these at the office. I'm at home now. And then the other remaining four packs here. They come in these little containers. And it's kind of like a pill, Just pop them out. Let me pop one out for you right now. Looks a bit like a lecithin pill. Okay, I was chewing it for a bit there, but I had to take it out because I can't talk and chew at the same time. But anyway, it tastes pretty good. It tastes like gum. I've actually tried neurotropics before, which are a type of focus-enhancing medicine. But if I look on the pack of this, it's basically just got vitamins and caffeine in it. I guess the premise for this working is that it delivers the right amount of caffeine and vitamins at any given time. But I find, that just having gum to chew in itself allows me to focus at work, so I do chew gum. So I can't make any claims to where this is making my focus better or not. I'm not really sure. And if I believe in the product, it could also be a placebo effect. I don't know, but I do feel it is working. However, it's not the cheapest thing to consume. So for those of you who have the extra coin to try out something like this and then test it properly on yourself, comparing it to other gum or whatever, and then you'll find out for yourself if it's for you. I love the concept. Apparently this product sells really well.